We have now released the Elementor AI Customizer tool, and it is totally free to use. This tool lets you rebrand any Elementor template you come across. Let me show you how. This is an Elementor template for web design and software development agencies. It is a very nice template. But let's say I would like to use it to create a website for a plumbing business. In that case, what I'll do is come into the Elementor editor. And here I have several options. The first option is that I can simply right-click this hero section, which lives inside this container, and then copy the JSON code. Next, I'll head over to Elementor AI Customizer and simply paste the code. Down here, I'll enter the business details. But first, I'll choose whether it's a section or a full page. Of course, this is a section, and it is the hero section. So after entering the business details, I'll come down here and click the Rebrand Template button. All right, the rebranding is done. I will now copy the rebranded JSON code, go back to Elementor, and then inside my editor, I'll right-click, click Paste from Other Sites, and then hit Control-V on my keyboard. All right, now every text element in the template has been rebranded to reflect a plumbing business based in Detroit, Michigan. Let's compare the rebranded template with the original template. As we can see, the original template talks about software development. If we look at the buttons, this one says Get Started Now, and the next one says Learn More Information. And for the rebranded template, this one says Contact Us Today, and then Our Services. And if you've noticed, the text is also very SEO friendly. The title here says, Expert Plumbing Services You Can Trust in Detroit, and then the subtext as well. You can also, of course, tweak the text to your liking. The tool really saves you a lot of time. Imagine having to customize or rebrand an entire website manually. That would take a lot of time, even if you already have the site's copy ready. Currently, rebranding only takes care of text and colors. We shall add support for images very soon. Now, let me show you the quickest and most efficient way to rebrand website templates. Instead of copying and pasting template JSON codes one at a time, or uploading JSON files one at a time, you can simply upload a zip file that contains Elementor JSON templates. In that case, the AI generates better rebranded text because it has better context. Let's take this zip file, for instance. It contains the JSON files for the About page, the 404 error page, the Coming Soon page, home pages, the services page, and more. So in this instance, when you upload a zip file, the AI gets better context. As it goes through the files, it knows exactly the type of web page it is rebranding, and so it adapts the text accordingly to suit each page. Let's see it in action. So for this web design and software development agency website template, I have a zip file containing the JSON files for all the sections of the home page. So I'll go to Elementor AI Customizer, and then drag and drop the zip file into it. Then I'll come here and enter the business details. I already have them prepared here. And now I'll click Rebrand Kit. All right, the templates have been rebranded. Let's download the zip file and head over to my Elementor editor to import the templates. So I'll simply drag and drop the zip file inside. The templates have now been imported, and so I'll click Insert to insert the templates one at a time. All right, I have now imported all the rebranded templates to complete the home page. And as you can see, every single text element on this web page has been rebranded from a software development agency into a plumbing business website. Buttons, links, call to actions, and even animations have all been retained. There is one thing I would like to point out. When we come down here to the brand colors, the colors you see here are the default colors set by Elementor AI Customizer, and you see them when you open the tool for the first time. Now, when you do not change or touch these colors, the AI will not change the original colors of the templates you rebrand. So here, for instance, the green color, or the original colors of these templates, were not changed. However, as soon as you change these colors to something else, the AI will then rebrand the colors of your templates to match the new colors you have chosen. I hope you get my point. Now, when you come up here to the JSON upload and input fields, the upload feature works better than pasting the JSON code directly. Very important. And so, we recommend uploading JSON files for more successful rebranding. The next update will be the online version of the Clone to Elementor extension, which is called Clone to Elementor AI. To access the Elementor AI Customizer tool, you need to visit clonetoelementor.com. Then scroll down to the AI Tools section. The first card links to Elementor AI Customizer. Simply click it, and then you'll have access to the tool. If you have any questions or improvement suggestions, you can send us feedback by clicking this button. All applicable links will be in the description of this video. Please like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.